If you're trying to launch a game through Battle.net and you've been stopped by error 2403, you're probably frustrated, especially if you just want to jump into a game and this is the only thing standing in your way. Error 2403 in Battle.net is typically a connection or installation integrity error, meaning either the client is having trouble reaching Blizzard's servers or something in the game files or the Battle.net app itself has become corrupted. The fix is usually straightforward once you know where to look, and I'm going to walk you through every solution that works. The very first thing you should do, and this fixes more problems than people expect, is simply restart the Battle.net app completely. Don't just close the window. Right-click the Battle.net icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen and choose Exit. Wait about 10 seconds, then reopen the app. This clears any temporary session data that might be causing the issue. If restarting doesn't work, the next quick step is to restart your entire computer, since some updates and background processes need a full reboot to settle properly. If the quick restart didn't do it, the next step is to check your internet connection. Error 2403 can appear when Battle.net loses connectivity to Blizzard servers mid-session, or can't establish a stable connection at all. Open your browser and try loading a few websites to confirm your internet is actually working. If your connection seems fine but Battle.net is still struggling, try switching from a Wi-Fi connection to a wired Ethernet cable if you have one available. Wireless connections can have packet loss that disrupts the Battle.net client, even when general browsing seems fine. Firewall and antivirus software is another very common cause of this error. Battle.net needs to make outbound connections to several different Blizzard server addresses, and security software sometimes blocks these connections without telling you. Open your antivirus program and look for a settings section related to firewall rules or application permissions. Find Battle.net and any Blizzard game launchers in the list and make sure they're allowed through. You should also check Windows Firewall separately. Press the Windows key, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll through the list and make sure Battle.net is checked for both private and public networks. If it's not listed at all, click Allow another app and add it manually. One fix that works specifically for error 2403 is flushing your DNS cache and resetting your network stack. This sounds technical, but it's just a few commands. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Windows, type CMD, right-click and choose Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type netshesh winsock reset and press Enter. Restart your computer after running these commands. This resolves issues where your PC is trying to connect to outdated or cached server addresses that no longer point to the right place. If the error is appearing specifically when you try to install or update a game rather than just launch it, you may be dealing with corrupted installer files in the Battle.net cache. Close Battle.net completely and navigate to c:/program data/battle.net. Note that program data is a hidden folder, so you may need to enable Show Hidden Items in File Explorer's View settings. Inside the Battle.net folder, delete everything you find there. These are temporary files that will be recreated fresh when you reopen the app. Then reopen Battle.net and try the installation or update again. Another useful built-in tool is the Battle.net Scan and Repair feature. If you're getting the error when launching a specific game rather than during installation, open Battle.net, click on the game that's giving you trouble, and look for the gear or options icon next to the play button. Click it and select Scan and Repair. The app will check all the game files and automatically re-download anything that's corrupted or missing. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer depending on the size of the game and your connection speed. If you've tried all of the above and you're still seeing error 2403, it may be worth doing a full reinstall of the Battle.net app itself. Uninstall it through Windows settings by going to Apps and finding Battle.net in the list. After uninstalling, go to Blizzard's official website at battle.net and download the latest version of the installer. Before reinstalling, also check that all remnants of the old installation are removed. Look in c:/program files x86 for a battle.net folder and delete it if it's still there. One last thing to check is whether the issue is on Blizzard's end rather than yours. If Battle.net servers are down for maintenance or experiencing an outage, you'll get connection errors no matter what you do on your end. You can check the real-time server status at us.battle.net/support/en/articles/76459, or just search Blizzard server status in your browser. If servers are down, all you can do is wait. To summarize everything, start by fully restarting the Battle.net client and your computer. Check your internet connection and switch to Ethernet if possible. Make sure Battle.net has permission through your firewall and antivirus. Flush your DNS and reset the Winsock catalog. Clear the Battle.net cache folder. Use the scan and repair feature for specific games. And if all else fails, reinstall the Battle.net app entirely. Don't forget to check Blizzard's server status before spending too much time troubleshooting a problem that might be on their end. If this helped you get back into your game, drop a like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting. Leave a comment if you have a specific question, and I'll see you in the next video.